Okay, guys, I think we are live on LinkedIn and YouTube. Let's just double check. I'll quickly check it on LinkedIn. And guys, if you can quickly let us know in the comments box that you can hear us fine, you can see, you can hear us loud and clear. That would be very, very helpful. Let's see. Okay, I can see us live here. Guys, please confirm in the chat box. And let's see how many people are here. Intro module. Okay, I think it's echoing here. Okay, we have about 38 people live here. Okay, we'll give probably another 2 to 3 minutes for everyone else to join. Okay, almost 100 people coming up here. Cool. Thanks, guys, for confirming. And again, if you can quickly let us know your location, where are you dialing in from? That would be very helpful. I'm currently based out of San Francisco Bay Area, and here I've entered my location in the chat box. And with me, I have my colleague Vivek and Jagdeep. Hi, Vivek. Hi, Jagdeep.
Hi, good
Hi.
morning, Aditya, and hi everyone. Thanks a lot for joining in.
Okay. So we have people, Hetal, dialing in from Chicago, Kuwait, India, Atlanta, Boston, Bangalore. Okay. Detroit, Michigan. Hyderabad. Okay. Boston. A lot of people from Boston. Mumbai. Okay. Awesome. And guys, if you can quickly tell me if this is the first time that you are joining in this uh, particular project, or if you were able to join our last kickoff call, that would be very helpful so that we can understand whether we need to explain all the project details again, or can we directly jump on to module number 3. So just let us know that, hey, I'm new, or I've been part of this project. Okay, a lot of people from India and Canada and US. Okay, so Akhilesh saying first time. Anand, yes, no, first time, yes, first time joined the call. Okay. Revti is again first time. I've created the table in PHP admin but unable to connect the table db.py. Okay, I'm new, have been part of the project. Okay. So it's basically a mix of both. I'm new here, have been part of the project. Okay, awesome. Okay, so there's a good mix of crowd that people are here. So let's get started. Give me 1 second. Okay, and Jagdeep, I think you were able to answer a few questions on Instagram chat, right? Uh,
Uh,
okay,
yes, sir.
let me open the deck, right, so that we can share the entire process with people here. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm pulling up the deck. Hmm. Okay, guys, just give me 1 minute. We're about to get started now. Hmm. Okay, let me share my screen. So, thank you, everyone. I'm Aditya Sharma. I'm co-founder and CEO of High Counselor, and with me I have Vivek and Jagdeep. Uh, all three of us will be helping you navigate through this project. And again, those who are new, guys, let me give you a quick introduction on High Counselor and why are we doing this project. So, basically, there is one major challenge that most of the job seekers face, especially entry-level candidates or people who are new, right, or who are transitioning their career. They always face this challenge that whenever they apply to a job position, they get rejected by employers. And the primary reason of rejection is not having hands on work experience. So we thought that why don't we provide this real world project simulation environment to all aspirants of data analyst, data scientist, and data engineering job role, so that they can solve real world problems in a real environment here. Okay. And we started this project last week, but if you are new to this project, we can give you access today. You can still participate in this one. I mean, you'll have to do a little bit things little bit faster, but you can still participate. And those who have been part of this project, we can help you with your queries. We can help answering your questions. So that's about this project. I'll jump into more details. A lot of candidates are asking, okay, what tell us a little bit about High Counselor as well. So let me share my screen for that. Okay, and I'll give you a quick overview of High Counselor. So here you go. And okay. So guys, I'll share the link of this deck, of this project kickoff deck, with all of you. But if I talk about High Counselor, we are an online career accelerator where basically we help candidates land a job in the US. Currently, we are only functioning in the US. So people who are physically located in the US looking for a job in either software engineering, data science, product management, or Salesforce consulting in the US, we help you with everything right from interview preparation, that includes upskilling, your interview prep, and giving you real hands-on work experience, right? And then we help you with your resume, with your LinkedIn, and finally we help you get interview calls as well through our proprietary tools and referral networks. We have our internal tools that automatically find jobs for you and automatically applies on your behalf, so you never need to search and manually apply to the jobs. Similarly, we have our network with hundreds of companies across the US, so whenever they have a right position, we have and to our enrolled candidates, we directly recommend them to the hiring managers and recruiters. And we work in a income share agreement model where candidates pay only after landing a job, so there is no upfront payment. And we work in a cohort model. Our next cohort starts from coming Monday. Okay, so if you're interested, you can simply go to our website highcounselor.com and apply for our upcoming cohort using this button called apply to upcoming cohort. There is a small application that you need to fill out, and once you fill this application, our team will evaluate your profile and will send you a admission decision. We are able to accept about 20 to 25% candidates right now, but if we are unable to accept you, we'll let you know the reason as well as the next cohort date. So if you're interested in our program, you can always apply on highcounselor.com/apply. I'll put this link for everyone in the chat box so that you guys can follow it. Okay. Let me put here in the chat box for everyone, highcounselor.com/apply. Moving on to going back to our deck. Okay. So that was a little bit about High Counselor. Now, regarding this project, as I explained earlier, that the objective of this project is to give you real hands-on work experience. Okay. And we started last week, so this is a project which is based on real world business problems related to data analysis. Okay. At the end of this project, we plan to provide a completion certificate to everyone who diligently follow the timeline and who has come up with the perfect outcome, as well as there will be $40 Amazon gift card to top 3 teams. Okay. Now, where can you find details related to this project? So let me reach to this one. Okay. Everything related to project detail, right? You will find it on highcounselor.com/projects. Okay. Go to this particular link. Vivek, if you can put this link in LinkedIn chat box, that would be very helpful for everyone. Guys, on this particular link, if I go it on this link for you, you'll be able to find the entire project detail over here. So simply click on read more. If you don't have an account on our website, simply create a free account and you'll be able to find the entire project details over here. Here's the module 1 detail, what you're supposed to do, that is given over here. In module 2, we have given all the details over here. And in this week, you're supposed to complete module number 3 as well. Now you're going to develop this entire project in High Counselor Sandbox. Not entire, but module 1 and module 2. Module 3, you have to do it in Python, Power BI, Tableau, or any other data visualization software. Okay. Another important thing is that we are using an anchor post for this particular project. So we have created a post on Instagram. If I go to my Instagram, and I'll show you. So this is the Instagram post where we are using for all the right information, as well as all any questions that you may have. So as you can see, I don't know how many people, but I think more than 1,000 comments are already here. So if you have any question, you're facing any challenge, you want to inform us about anything, just come here and comment. That is the easiest way for us. Okay, perfect. Moving on to our deck again. So these are the two most important thing, guys. And another thing, if you have not done, is our coding practice platform. I mentioned this last time as well, that anyone who struggle to probably solve this particular project because you're not that great in SQL or Python, go to our platform assessment.highcounselor.com. You can go to this platform, join it for free, and practice as many questions as you want. So, for example, if I show you, this is the platform where you can select whether you want to practice programming question or SQL queries question, and simply go to that particular question, write your SQL query, run code, and you'll be able to get a real-time feedback over here. Okay, so if you struggle to solve this particular project, I would highly recommend you to join this platform and practice for free, and then try project. You'll be much successful. Okay, now guys, let's take questions. Okay, and before that, so Vivek, have you posted the link?
Yes, absolutely. I posted the link, and
Okay,
here comes the link for the anchor post as well.
cool. Perfect. So let's start taking questions for this project from people who are live. Okay. So one second, guys. There are a lot of messages. Part of the project. Okay. Yes. I can do some task for the module number 2, but I get this error. Lost connection to MySQL server at local host. Jagdeep, do you know what's the reason behind this?
Whether this is like probably because of the platform. The sandbox is having some issue there.
Mm-hmm. No, but
Yeah.
this is about
So,
module
so
number.
basically,
Mhm.
so the
Yeah.
challenge is basically your internet is probably little slow,
Yeah,
right? Try
also,
connecting it again, right? Try rebooting your server and then run the project once again,
Okay.
right? For whichever module you are actually performing the activity, run it again, right? The platform is actually working fine. There would be a lot of changes in terms of internet. Probably the local machine that you are using, that speed also matters. So just be patient. You might have to wait a little longer to for a success, but it will happen.
Okay. Perfect. The next one is, in order to satisfy the test cases in SQL, we are trying different types of queries, which also doesn't work. So Jagdeep, we have tried and tested all the queries in the for this
uh,
particular project, right?
yes, Aditya, we have tested all the queries. So it could be like they might be trying some different SQL queries, right? So it could depend on what they're exactly trying in the that console. So um, could be like the error messages are not self-explanatory enough. So that could be one thing. That's why they're getting confused here.
Okay. Uh, Uh, Hetal says it's been tricky but can do it. Okay, perfect. Faida confirms it. I can do some task till task number 12 of the module number 2, but I get the following error: lost connection to MySQL. Is the same thing, Jagdeep?
Again,
Yes,
as I mentioned
yes.
earlier, it is because of the internet. So you need to connect it again and then reperform the exact model.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, Fadila says, I've applied but didn't get any response. So, Fadila, are you asking about our applying to High Counselor upcoming cohort? Um, if yes, I mean, we are still reviewing applications, and so if you're outside of the US, probably that might be the reason. Or if you're in the US, at this moment we are still reviewing the application, but you can again go ahead and apply at highcounselor.com/apply. Our next cohort starts on this Monday, so we'll definitely get back to you before that. Okay. Okay, going back to our questions, the next one is refreshing starts from the first works. Now, what is this? Accepted while logged onto PHP my admin, I can see that no tables found in database. Uh, I think Yenmi, you so initially there are no tables. You need to create a table name, I think Superstore, and in that table you need to import the SQL file with clean data. Is that correct, Jagdeep?
Yes, Aditya, if they have followed the task one properly, like they need to re-upload the pre-processed data, right? So if
Mhm.
they have completed that, then they would definitely get the tables there.
Okay, perfect. The next one is from I'm typing in the same task question queue number. Okay, that's a very incorrect question. I can then again the lost connection issue. It is due to the server overload, maybe. Okay. Next question is okay, no, it didn't work. Okay, speaking to the team, it's been there's no been reassigning to a new team. Okay, it's been a week. There has been no reassignment to the new team, and we only get an automated reply. Please wait. We're working on assigning you to a team. So, Sirajul, I apologize if you are not able to assign to any other teams. At this point, I would recommend you to uh, start this project on by yourself. We are planning on our end from the next project that will only make team of the active candidates. So until now what we were doing, we were making team of everyone who registered for the project, but then some of the people they disappear, right? So rather than that, now we will create team of candidates who have created an account, those who are absolutely active, so that we won't run into this issue. So this time do it by yourself. Next time we'll certainly form this new process. Okay. Nikita says my team members are not responding. Nikita, I would again recommend you, if your team members are not responding, just start by yourself. We are already done with 1 week of this project. There's just 1 week left. Start by yourself. We are coming up with a new project. I think next week or the week after that. Vivek, when is the next project for data track?
So Aditya, the next project for data would happen, I guess, from next to next week.
Next to next week. Okay, so it's not too far, guys. You can
Not
finish.
quite far.
Yeah. So complete this project, and then we'll include you in that one, and we'll ensure that you will be a part of team then. Okay.
Sure.
Again, the next question. Okay, I think these are. Are there more questions, or was my screen not refreshing? Let me go to more question on this here. My team members I can include. Okay. Okay, I created a table but didn't get access from local host. Jagdeep, what is that issue?
Um, Created a table.
This is the question. Look, I've put it on the screen for everyone.
I think this shouldn't be the case. Like, if they're properly uploading the preprocessed data, it should create a table there, right itself, right? So maybe they can try is like restarting the project, re-uploading the data, and
Mhm.
then trying again with the module two.
Okay.
Yeah, and the
Uh,
table would be created only if the columns are mentioned as per the instructions. Right? If any column is here or there, probably the table would not be created by machine.
Yes.
yeah.
So just check for that as well.
And the table name should be exactly Superstore.
Exactly same, correct.
So, guys, take this as an opportunity where you're solving a real uh, business problem, right, in a client environment, and client usually just give you this high level information, and then you have to solve it, right? So try it by yourself, and if you're not able to do it, we have also provided you one explanatory video. Um, so Vivek, is that video added to the platform, or have we just emailed it to everyone?
I think it is there on the platform.
There on the platform. Okay. Okay, but I think, guys, Vivek has emailed it to everyone as well.
Yes.
Uh, so you can also check your inbox, and you'll find a video explaining the entire process. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our questions. The expected output for this seems to be um, correct. Okay, sir, my teammates are not responding, so I can include someone else in my project. Yes, you can. Okay, Priyanka, we are trying to respond on Instagram post. It's just there were too many questions and too many updates, but we are trying our best to get back to you over there. Iman says can't connect to PHP my admin. I'm getting access denied error. Then is it because Jagdeep access denied is due to wrong credentials or due to server error?
Yes, I think it could be because of the wrong credentials.
Mhm. So, is anyone else also facing access denied error to PHP MyAdmin? Because I think PHP MyAdmin credentials are unique for everyone, and it's working for most of the candidates. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Module two and task four output wells is not shown, so that's why my query is not working in Sandbox. Jagdeep, how do you want to answer this question? Module two task four output values are not shown.
So it won't show the values. So it will be like when you will write the query, if your results are matching with the expected results, right? Then it will show that task has been successfully passed. It won't show you the values because that would kind of give you direct hints like what you need to do here.
Okay. The next question is I got the message your code passed and then it logged me out. When I run it again, it says test cases failed. Uh, Chaitali, I think, can you record this error and probably get back to us because this seems a little bit weird. But if you can do it and send this recording to us, probably just put that recording, your link in Instagram chat. We'll be able to pick it from there and we'll double check it. Okay. The next question is from the SQL query is running fine for my teammate but showing error for me. Jagdeep, what could be the potential reason here?
Uh, right. Okay. I think it could be the connection issue, or maybe the data they re-uploaded after refining. That could be very different. That could
Mhm.
also be one reason for it.
Yeah, maybe your team members have uploaded the correct data and you may not be using the correct data. So that could be one of the reasons. I completed module 1 and 2, but in the High Counselor website and the project page, the status is not started yet. Status not started yet. Is there any way to acknowledge in the project like in progress or completed? That's a great feedback, guys. We are currently updating the progress in your sandbox environment where you can see whether it's completed or in progress. Uh, in a week or two, we'll also update it on the website, right, in your project where you will be able to directly see if a particular module has been completed or not. Okay. Okay, and then it logged me out. I think we have already covered this one. Yenny says, do we need to create a table? Yes, you need to create a table named Superstore. Read the directions again. Okay, and saved is okay. Okay, my sandbox only shows success and saved is okay or not. Nikita, your question is not clear. Can you please elaborate it more? That would be very helpful. Task 4 from module 2 and the task 1 not working. Jagdeep, so any thoughts on task 4 and task 1?
Mm, okay, might be like only not working for Shirish. Because I saw some comment like someone has completed all the queries,
Okay.
so it's not like not working for everyone.
Hmm. Okay, so Shirish, try it. We plan to share the solution with you by next week as well. So if it doesn't work, we'll share the solution. Okay. In some question, the output we are getting only headers as output.
Mm, okay. Um, okay. So, is it like they can reproduce this issue again and again, or it
Yeah.
was just one time?
So, Jinna, if you can again quickly record like a Zoom video, right? Turn on Zoom on your laptop, do the screen sharing, record it, and remove password from that recording, right? And post that link in Instagram chat so that we get to know about it, right? I mean, what is the reason? And if you don't have that Instagram chat link, I'm sure a lot of people already have it. Let me copy paste it for everyone. Okay, copied, and let me paste it for everyone. Yep. So I've added for everyone. So guys, if you can reproduce this issue and then share with us, we'll be able to see if how we can help you out there. Okay. Okay, a lot of questions. Tasks are getting automatically skipped, then how to solve them? So Hetal, they do not get automatically skipped. It's when you run it 3 times and your code is incorrect, then it gets skipped. And once it is skipped, you cannot go back to it. Okay. The next one is when I import my CSV file to PHP admin, it shows 500 rows, but I have more than 7,000 rows. What could be the reason, Jagdeep, here?
Could be connection issue, Aditya. But eventually, like they should have more than 7,000 rows in the correct data set.
Okay. So, Sarah, try it again. If only partial data is coming up, then probably you're losing connection somewhere in the middle. So, just retry it again and it should be done. Uh, the same query where my teammates were able to successfully submit but I'm not able to submit. It's maybe you have not uploaded the right data set, right? That could be the only reason, I guess.
Yes.
uh, Tasks are getting automatically skipped. Okay, I think I'm repeating questions unnecessarily. Task 1, we need to prepare invert insert statements into Superstore table, right? Okay. Jagdeep, you can take these technical questions on the right hand side by one.
Sure. Okay.
Or I
Um,
can put it on the screen if you want.
yeah, that would be helpful.
Mhm. Yeah.
Um, okay, so yeah, I think in the task one they need to have this to create the tables. So firstly, they will upload a defined CSV file, and they can also use the equivalent of SQL file,
Mhm.
having an insert statement for creating the table. Okay, so for task 4, expected output and output was same, it was showing test case failed. Okay, so it could be some connection issue. If the output is coming exactly same, if you try again, like just reload the sandbox and try again once, should probably work for this case.
Can I post my queries on LinkedIn or via email? Pratyusha, unfortunately, we are using only that one Instagram post to have everything there. Okay, so you can probably create a temporary account and then you can uh, delete it again. Okay, and then I uploaded many questions in Instagram. So Somdip will try to get back to you on Instagram. Okay, so give us some time and we'll get back to you. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think this is. Can you please
Many
upload
people are asking for it actually.
for
So
what?
for this correct CSV file, refined data set.
Hmm. So I think so. Vivek, let's do this thing. Why don't we email everyone the correct CSV file? Okay. Everyone who
Mhm.
has participated, I think they've done their hard work. They have invested their time, right? We can give them at least the right CSV file so that they can do module one all tasks properly. Okay. So, guys, keep an eye on your email. You'll get an email from High Counselor today and will provide you the clean CSV over there. Okay. But if you haven't tried it by yourself until now, I would highly recommend you to at least try it once more. Or let's do this thing, Vivek. Instead of emailing, let's add that CSV in our Instagram post only, so that
Sure.
we'll add there. Okay. Okay. Yes, he can. Okay. He can definitely. And then Jagdeep.
Definitely, it could be multiple sheets, and it would be convenient if you can, record a video of showing all the dashboards that you will be creating. That would be mandatory, right, Vivek?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
So, guys, the guideline for module number 3 is that you have to create all the dashboard, create a video recording of it, and then upload that in. To submit module number 3, I think the process, here's the process. So here
Yes.
we are, and on
Fourth
module
one.
number 3, you can simply go and submit module, in which will provide you a Google form. You need to create recording, fill in this information, and upload the link over here. Okay. Moving back.
Okay. So,
Mhm.
uh,
I think we've
right.
already taken this, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is already taken.
Industry. Yes, also take.
Data is correct, but this is a problem in the sandbox. So, Danish, uh, we have tested SQL queries on our end. Again, if you can just create a small video and share it with us, that would be very helpful, right? Then we can exactly tell you where you are doing a mistake. And same question, which are not wrong in query. Okay, here is another big question. Jagdeep, if you can take.
Yes, right. Some questions have more than one task in same question, which are not properly accepting query. Okay, you're trying more and you're learning this, studying more thought process. Okay, so I think for each problem statement, we only require a single query. So we have made sure like there would be no question where you have to write multiple SQL queries. So if you're getting multiple SQL queries for any task, probably you are going with the wrong approach. That could be one thing.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and we have set up the process in like the level would increase as you proceed with the different tasks. So the initial tasks would be quite easy to do, and of course it's learning process. So
Yeah, I think this is again a repetitive one. Let
yeah,
me.
that's it on this.
Okay, and all others are. Can you please tell us the? Can you please tell the deadline of submission? So for module 1 and module 2, we have kept the deadline to be today, end of the day. For module 3, it will be next week, Wednesday. Okay. So make sure to complete it by
15th of
then.
March.
And then, yes, 15th of March. And based on your submissions over there, we'll review, provide your certificate, and we'll also announce top 3 winners over there. Okay. So I think we've covered a lot of questions. There, a lot of them are repetitive. So guys, we'll get back to you on solution of these questions on Instagram, uh, or we'll try to answer some of these here as well. We are already over time, but I think yeah, we've asked. Let's take a few more questions before we wrap up the call. Okay. There's no expected. This one. Yeah, let's take this one.
There's no expected response for task 9. Okay. So Aditya, if you like, if you're trying a incorrect SQL query, it will not show you any response for that, right? It will just give you like this is not acceptable answer. So make sure like you're writing the correct query, and if you're again not getting it accepted, you can try it. Reloading the sandbox and try it again.
Hmm. Okay, let's see this one. So Jagdeep,
Right.
is this specifically related to task 12?
Yes, I think so. It is like that task is uh, the query for that particular task might be taking some more time, and if someone is having uh, unstable connection or something, that's why it is happening.
So Neha, let us do this thing. I'll get the team check the system again for task number 12, right? And it will be checked probably in the next 4 to 5 hours. And you can try after that. And we'll also notify on the Instagram post whether we have fixed it or not. Okay. And we'll take it from there. Let's take another one. If we are unable to finish them all too, okay. Like finished most of it. Can we still move on with the module? I mean, you can still move on with module number three. It's not like you cannot move on with module number three, but to provide you a certificate, to provide you, to consider you for the top three teams, we need to see all the modules completed. Okay. After completion, how are we going to get the certificate? Email or on the High Counselor portal. So once you complete it, your certificate will directly appear on this website, highcounselor.com/project. So in your project, you will get an option to download your certificate right over here. Okay. So once you complete it, our team review analyzes everything. You'll be able to download certificate directly from a button over here. Oh, I think I was not sharing my screen. Sorry. Okay, give me 1 second. Yes. So your certificate will appear on highcounselor.com/projects, where a download certificate button will appear here. Once you complete your module 1, 2, and 3, and our team reviews, and if it looks perfect, your certificate will automatically appear here. Okay. Okay, guys, let's take one or two more question where we have to send this video. So again, record this video and remove any kind of password, or upload that video on YouTube and go to that Instagram post. I'm again pasting link of the Instagram post for everyone. Simply go to that link Instagram post and comment it over there. Okay, and that is the anchor post. So let me paste it for everyone. Done. Okay. The next question is, let's take one more. Can you please tell about the next module? So next module is module number 3. Again, go to the same project, highcounselor.com/project. Look at the module 3 details. This is related to data visualization. Completed. All guidelines are given over there, and you need to complete it by next Wednesday. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is very helpful. I hope you are able to answer some of the question. I know there were some of the questions related to task 12 issues, and issues related to clean data when people are not able to do it. So we'll provide you a clean data sheet in the Instagram post. That is first thing. Second is, if you are facing any specific issue, record it, post a video link in the Instagram anchor post link, and third thing is, we'll check system for task number 12 issues. Okay, and you can post your comments and question on Instagram post, and we'll pick it from there. Okay. Okay, thanks everyone. You have a wonderful day ahead, and we'll see you on next week for the with the next project, and with when you complete this particular project. And we also plan to start another project in software engineering domain next Monday, and in data science domain next to next week. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Vivek. Thanks, Jagdeep. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
Have a great day. Bye bye.